Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can order a Cash App card. So for that you need to open up your Cash App, and after that you will be able to see this option of cards on the bottom screen. Just click on it, and after that you need to just click on this option of get free card. Just click on it, and then you just have to select any of the card that you want to order. Just select the first one. I'm just taking the example of first one, and here you can also personalize this card as per your requirements. So for that you just have to click on personalize card. Then you can add up your signature over here. You can add emojis, and you can add other options as well. Then click on done. After that you just have to click on order card. Then you need to provide your address, so the card will be sent to your address using the address that you have provided to Cash App, and provide all the other details that the Cash App asks, and after that you will be able to order your card from Cash App. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.